In this video, you will learn how to reset Safari on iPhone. To get started, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once inside Settings, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the list. Tap on Apps, which will display all applications installed on your iPhone sorted alphabetically. At the top of this page, there's a search bar. Tap it and type in Safari. Hit search or simply wait for results to populate. Select Safari web browser from the search results that appear below. Now that you're in Safari settings, scroll down until you see an option labeled Clear History and Website Data. Once you've located it, tap on this option. Here you can select a time frame for clearing data. Options include last hour, today, and yesterday, or all history. Additionally, if desired, toggle on the switch that says Close All Tabs, which will close any open tabs not grouped together. After making your selections, tap on the Clear History button. This action removes browsing history as well as cookies and other browsing data from Safari. After clearing your history, it's time to manage autofill settings for added privacy or just to declutter. Scroll up until you find an option called Autofill, then tap it. Within this section, look for saved credit cards. Tap here if you have any saved cards stored in Safari. If there are credit cards saved that you'd like to remove, simply select them and follow prompts to delete them from memory. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.